Welcome. Today's topic is General Settings Part 1. To access General Settings, on the left scroll down and select Account and Settings. You are now within Settings. Next, select POS Settings to access General Settings. Select this option to enable your point-of-sale system to automatically capture changes on your system. Capture customer signature. If you enable this option, the customer will have to sign upon purchasing. Send SMS after transaction. Enable this function to send the customer a message after the sale has taken place. Enable tracking empty containers. This function allows you to keep track of all packaging items, example empty water bottle. Customer-wise pricing. Select this option to sell a product at multiple prices to multiple customers. Reprint receipt option after sale allows for the provision of manually reprinting a sale transaction receipt. Enable customer. Select mandatory. Prompts to select a customer from the available list during a sale. Enable cash management. Tracks cash in and cash out amount during a shift and prints the cash summary in the sales summary report after clockout. Enable modifier quantity will be discussed in another video. Tax calculation phase. Tax can either be calculated after discount or before discount. Round off order total allows for the rounding off on order total. Print item name in alternate language. For this to be printed, the item should be given a name in the Name Alternate Language field during item variation creation and import. Show available cash. Select this function to have a view of the available cash in the register. Print brand name. Select this option to display the brand name of the product on the receipt. Print shift summary on clock out. Enable this function to print a shift summary after an employee has clocked out. Print receipt on refund. Enable this option to print a receipt when performing a refund. Mask customer information. Enable this to hide customers' profile, contact details from employees. Show shipping details. Select this option to include the location of the delivery on the receipt. Apply discount on each item. Select this function to apply individual discounts to various individual items. Show item image. Select this function to show item images on the point-of-sale platform. Enable inventory stock restriction. Enable this function to restrict the sale of products that are out of stock. Enable OTP verification for credit. Select this function to send customers a one-time PIN when busy with credit transactions. Enable restriction for credit limits. Select this option to apply restrictions to credit limits for customers. Enable token number system. Select this function to provide token numbers to your orders in store. Transfer pending orders to next shift. Select this function to automatically transfer existing orders to the next employee upon the others clock out. Enable multiple employee kiosk. Select this function if you have 2 or more stations from where you make sales, example kitchen and bar. Tip mandatory. Select this option to make it mandatory for customers to tip staff. Enable multiple employee clock out if inactive. Enable this function to automatically clock out employees after a certain period of time. Enable table. Select mandatory. Choose this option to make sure a customer is seated at a table before staff can place an order. Show default table layout. Select this option to revert back to the standard table layout provided. Enable price to quantity calculation and display advertisement will be discussed in another video. Thanks for watching.